everyone, my name is Leah from AudaCity Capital, and today I will be explaining the rules and regulations of our funded trader program. As some of you may know already, we are AudaCity Capital and we are a prop trading firm based in central London. So we have been a prop trading firm since 2012. We have two programs here at AudaCity Capital, the Funded Trader program and the Hidden Talents program. The Funded Trader program is for profitable traders who lack the funding to begin trading the Forex market. The Hidden Talents program is a training program for people with little to no experience in trading, and it trains them to a professional standard. Today I will be talking about our Funded Trader program, giving a brief introduction on how to apply and then go straight into the rules and how you operate on the. At AudaCity Capital we operate a little bit different than other prop trading firms because we do not have any demo trials or challenges. We have an interview process which you go through, and if you are accepted you can begin trading with $15,000 immediately. As I said previously, our Funded Trader program is for experienced traders. So when you apply, our team will contact you and you will be asked to provide a live track record of about 3 to 6 months to show that you can trade and show off your strategy and your skills. You will then go through our interview process in which our team will ask you a few questions about your strategy, experience and history to make sure you are right for the program. And if you're accepted, you will receive $15,000 to begin trading the Forex market. Before you begin trading, it is very important to read your contract and understand the rules and risk parameters of the account before you start trading. I'm going to go through a bit of the rules right now so you can understand more what the rules are and know this before you decide to trade. First of all, I'm going to start with our risk parameters and account sizes and what that means and what are the rules around this. So you start with a $15,000 account, as I mentioned previously. You can't jump to 30k, 60k, 120k. You have to start at the $15,000 mark. Once you hit your 10% profit target, so this will be 10% of 15,000, you will double your account to 30,000 and this process continues. So when you hit the 10% profit target of your $30,000 account, it will double to 60,000. This process continues up until the $500,000 account mark. Once you hit this, we will have a meeting to see how we can support you further and what you want from a long-term relationship with AudaCity Capital. The next thing I will talk about is leverage and lot size. So on the $15,000 account, we have a 1 to 5 leverage with a cumulative exposure on a $15,000 account of 0.5 lots, which is $5 a pip. Similar to when you hit your 10% profit target on the account, your account doubles, your lot size also doubles as well. So when you go from 15k to 30k, your lot size goes from 0.5 to 1.0, and this continues doubling up until the $500,000 account. We have a few rules regarding your trading on the account. So the platform we use is MetaTrader 4 and we require all of our traders to use this. However, you are allowed to use your own strategy on the account that you're using as long as you follow our risk parameters. We also require our traders to close their trades for major news events such as NFP or central bank speeches. We will send out an email prior to this letting you know when to close your trades and what date. Regarding overnight and weekend trades, we do allow both of these options. However, with weekend trades, you must use our portal on our website to request your trade to be kept open. However, this cannot be guaranteed as our risk management team need to evaluate your trade beforehand. We have a 10% drawdown on the account, which is fixed and not trailing. This is 10% of your account balance that you have currently. For example, if you're on the $15,000 account, it is 10% of this. If it's on the $30,000 account, it is 10% of this, and so on. It is quite unlikely for you to hit the 10% drawdown limit, but if you do hit the 10% drawdown limit, you're not liable for any losses on the account. Our rules regarding profit withdrawal are very simple. Once you hit the 10% profit target, you can submit a form via our portal online, which sends an email to our support team who will process your withdrawal. We can also pay you via PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin and Skrill. Please note we have no time limits on the account. and withdrawals can only be done after the 10% profit target is reached. So this is where we operate a little bit differently from other prop trading firms where they have a profit withdrawal date, where we don't have that. It's just once you hit your 10%, you can withdraw your profits. You can hit your 10% whenever you want, you can hit the next 10% whenever you want, you will get your profits whenever you hit it. At AudaCity Capital, we primarily trade Forex. Once you hit the 120k mark, you are open to trade other instruments as well, subject to approval by our risk management team. So that is all the basic rules on the account, and I hope I've covered all the information that you need to trade on your account. And if you have any questions, please drop them below and I will be happy to answer them. If you would like to apply for our Funded Trader program, our links will be in the description to our website and you can apply from there.